The musical alphabet consists of the first 7 letters of the regular alphabet: A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. These letters are the foundation of music literacy and are universally understood by instrumentalists around the world. Each letter can be played or sung at more than one frequency, which we refer to as octaves. You can see here on the piano keyboard that the musical alphabet repeats. The first step to becoming musically literate is learning the musical alphabet and understanding that G and A are actually beside each other. Try practicing the musical alphabet by writing it forwards and backwards continuously, moving through each octave. A full-sized piano has 88 keys. In the middle of the keyboard, you will find a note we call middle C. As you move to the right of middle C, pitches get higher. As you move to the left of middle C, pitches get lower. This concept is important to understand so that you can use the piano keyboard to understand music theory and notation. The piano keyboard has black keys and white keys. You will notice that the black keys are in groups of 2 and 3. This pattern makes it easy to quickly identify notes. For example, every C is the white key that is positioned to the left of a group of 2. Being able to locate notes on the keyboard and visualize the distance between 2 or more notes will be useful as we progress to more difficult concepts. If you are just getting familiar with the piano keyboard, it would be good to practice identifying different notes in different spots on the keyboard. For example, try to find all of the C's on your keyboard. So how do you read music? In music notation, a clef is a symbol used to define specific pitches on the lines or spaces of the staff. The treble clef is used for higher pitches, while the bass clef represents lower pitches. In piano, the treble clef is most often played by the right hand and the bass clef by the left hand. Each instrument uses a specific clef, and some even use other clefs, like the alto clef. For the purposes of these lessons, you will only need to remember treble clef and bass clef. The clef is placed on a staff which consists of 5 lines and 4 spaces. Notes can be placed on the lines or spaces of the staff. In the treble clef, the line notes read E, G, B, D, and F, from the bottom line to the top line. One of the easiest ways to start memorizing your notes is to learn this phrase: every good boy deserves fudge. The first letter of each word represents the line notes for the treble clef. In the treble clef, the space notes read F, A, C, and E from the bottom space to the top space. You will notice that these letters spell the word face. You can use this trick to memorize the treble clef space notes. Here is an image of all the line and space notes in the treble clef. You will notice the musical alphabet goes in order as we climb the staff. The pitches also get higher as we move up the staff. I like to picture the staff as a ladder to remember this concept. In the bass clef, the line notes read G, B, D, F, and A from the bottom line to the top line. One of the easiest ways to start memorizing your notes is to learn this phrase: good boys deserve fudge always. The first letter of each word represents the line notes for the bass clef. In the bass clef, the space notes read A, C, E, and G from the bottom space to the top space. One of the easiest ways to remember the space notes in the bass clef is the phrase all cows eat grass. In this image, you can see all the line and space notes in the bass clef. Just like the treble clef, notes move in order as you go up the staff and also get higher in pitch. In my next lesson, I will be covering the grand staff, ledger lines, and matching keyboard notes to the grand staff. Like and subscribe for more quality music education content. Thanks for listening.